Okay, this is attempt number 3. First attempt was on the camera. It's kind of funny because of the angle. Attempt number 2 was with some other random website, and then I totally forgot that I have a YouTube account that can record from my webcam. Very easy. Okay, so this video is to show you 2 things, I guess. I've been learning butterfly knife, Balisong, and beatboxing, and so this is to show what I've learned so far, which is not very much actually. Yeah, so for the butterfly knife, I know horizontal open, vertical open, I don't think that's how you're supposed to close it for vertical. Quick open, and I think my favorite one so far, which is the latch strap. Yeah. I guess you can't really see that. Let me see if I can get forward. Oh, just kidding. That wasn't successful. Yeah, weird angles. And I guess the basic tool. Alright, and then I've also been learning beatboxing. I know even less for beatboxing than I do Balisong. I know 3 noises, kick drum, I think it's called a snare, and hi-hat, it's closed hi-hat. So in that order it goes, and then you put them together into what's supposed to be a beat. So one of the first things that I was being told to practice is and then you add on another 4 noises, which is and then the next thing that I tried practicing was just a little bit longer. Yep, it goes sorry, it goes messed up again, but see, still learning. Yeah, so still working on that one, and then there's another 4th one, which I don't really have done at all. And those are just, I guess, ways that you rearrange those 3 noises. Yep, so hopefully the next video I make, I'll know how to do more things with the butterfly knife, and I'll know more than 3 noises for the beatboxing, or I'll have my foundation for the beat arrangement much more solid. I don't know. Thanks for watching.